Welcome everyone to the online class. Here we are going to see the second chapter, measurements. In this chapter we will see how to find the area and perimeter of the given shapes. First, area. Area is the region occupied by the closed shape. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around. Let us recall area and perimeter of some shapes that we have already studied in the previous year. First one, rectangle. Rectangle is a closed figure. It has 4 sides and 4 angles. All the angles should be 90 degree. The 2 pair of opposite sides are equal. Longest sides are called as length, denoted by L. Shortest sides are called as breadth, denoted by B. Now, let us see the formula for area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B square units. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. Second one, square. Square is also a closed figure. It has 4 sides and 4 angles. Each angles should be 90 degree. All the sides of square are equal in length, denoted as A. Let us see the formula for area of a square. Area of a square equal to A into A square units. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into A units. Next one, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle is also a closed figure. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. One of those angles should be 90 degree. Let us recall the formula for area of the right angled triangle. Area of the right angled triangle equal to half into B into H square units. Here B as base, H as height. Perimeter of the right angled triangle equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. This year we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of the new shape, that is parallelogram. First of all, the shape of parallelogram. See this diagram. ABCD is the parallelogram. AB is the base. DE is the height. Parallelogram also a closed figure. It has four sides. It has pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Let us see the formula to find area and perimeter of the parallelogram. First one, area. Area of the parallelogram formula is equal to base into height square units. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of the lengths of all the sides. What is the area for parallelogram? Base into height square units. And what is the perimeter of a parallelogram? Is equal to sum of the lengths of all the sides. Now, moving to the sums under this concept. Exercise 2.1. First question. Find the area and perimeter of the following parallelograms. First subdivision, see the diagram. Base AB 11 centimeter, height 3 centimeter, adjacent side 4 centimeter. Now let us see the answer. Base equal to 11 centimeter, height equal to 3 centimeter. What we have to find? Area and perimeter. First, area. Area equal to formula base into height square units. What is the formula to find area of a parallelogram? Area equal to base into height square units. Substitute the values. Base 11, height 3. 11 into 3. We get 33 square centimeter. What is the answer for area? 33 square centimeter. Next we want to find perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of a parallelogram? Sum of the lengths of all sides around. Sum of the lengths of all sides around. First, base 11 centimeter, adjacent side 4 centimeter, 11 opposite side also 11, 4 opposite side also 4. So when we add together, we get perimeter answer is 30 centimeter. What is the perimeter answer? 30 centimeter. Let us move on the next question. Next is subdivision. See the diagram. This is the given diagram. If we suppose to select PQ as the base, we cannot have the height to that base. So, when we rotate the diagram in a clockwise direction, we get the base as RQ. In that RQ, we have the height 10 centimeter. For that, we must know the length of RQ. Since opposite sides are equal, therefore, PS 7 centimeter gives QR also 7 centimeter. So, base is 7 centimeter. Height is 10 centimeter. Adjacent side is 13 centimeter. Now, move on the answer. Base equal to 7 centimeter. Height equal to 10 centimeter. What we have to find? Area. What is the formula for area? Base into height square units. What is the formula to find area of a parallelogram? Area equal to base into height square units. Substitute the values. 7 into 10. 7 into 10. So, we got the answer for area is 70 square centimeter. What is the answer for area? 70 square centimeter. Next, we want to find perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter of a parallelogram? Sum of the lengths of all sides. Sum of the lengths of all sides. Substitute the values. 13 plus 7 plus 13 plus 7. 13 opposite 13, 7 opposite 7. So when we add together, we get the perimeter answer is 40 centimeter. What is the perimeter answer we got? 40 centimeter. Let us see the next question. Second one, find the missing values. Given a table, see that first subdivision, base, height given. What is the missing value? Area. So we want to find area. Second one, base and area given. What is missing? Height. So we want to find height. See the third subdivision, height and area given. We want to find base. We want to find base. Let us see the answer. Consider the first subdivision. Base 18 centimeter. Height 5 centimeter. We want to find area. What is the formula for area? Base into height. Base into height. Substitute the values. 18 into 5. So we get the answer is 90 square centimeter. What is the answer for area? 90 square centimeter. Let us move to the next subdivision. Base 8 meter. Height missing. We want to find area 56 square meter. What is the formula for area of a parallelogram? Base into height. In place of area we can write base into height equal to given 56. Substitute the known value base. 8 into height equal to 56. We want to find height. So we just keep height in the left side and we will bring 8 to the right side. It becomes on the right side as divide 8. Height equal to 56 divide 8. When we divide by 8, we get the height is 7 meter. What is the answer for height? 7 meter. Let us move to the next one. Third subdivision. Base we want to find. Height and area given. Base missing. Height 17 millimeter. Area 221 square millimeter. What is the formula for area? Base into height. Substitute that. Base into height equal to 221. Substitute the known value. Height 17. So base into 17 equal to 221. Now we want to find base. So we just keep base in the left side itself and we will bring 17 to the right side. It becomes on the right side as divide 17. Base equal to 221 divide 17. So base equal to 13 millimeter. What is the answer we got? Base equal to 13 millimeter. Let us move on the second question. Now third question. Okay, second question we now saw. Third question. See, Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. See the trophy. What is the shape? Parallelogram. Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. He knows that the area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of the trophy is the question. Let us see the answer. Base 21 centimeter, height he didn't know, so we want to find, and for that they given area equal to 735 square centimeter. What is the formula for area of a parallelogram? Base into height. Base into height equal to 735. Substitute the known value base. 21 into height equal to 735. Keep height in the left side itself. Take 21 to the opposite side. It becomes divide 21. So you get the answer for height is 35 centimeter. What is the answer? 35 centimeter. Let us move to the next fourth question. Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter and its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms. How many pieces? 4. By cutting the parallel sides through the midpoints, find the area of each new parallelogram. Since one larger parallelogram divided as 4 smaller parallelograms, so both are having same area. Area of the larger parallelogram equal to 4 into area of the smaller parallelogram. See the answer. Height 12 meter, base 18 meter, number of parallelograms equal to 4. Area of each new parallelogram equal to area of larger parallelogram divided by 4. Area of larger parallelogram formula base into height. Base into height divided by 4. Substitute base and height. It becomes 12 into 18 divided by 4. 12 and 18 multiplied we get 216 divided by 4 becomes 54. So area of each new parallelogram equal to 54 square meter. Let us move on the next question. A ground is in the shape of a parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is 14 meter and the corresponding base is 8 meter longer than its height. Height given 14 meter but base not given directly. For that given base is 8 meter longer than its height. So we should add 8 to the height. Find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of ₹15 per square meter. How we find? First we have to find the total square meters. That is area. After we multiply that area into this amount. Let us see the answer. Height given 14 meter. Base given 8 meter longer than its height. So we should add 8 plus 14 we get base equal to 22 meter. Next area. Area formula is what? Base into height. What is the formula? Area equal to base into height. Substitute the values. 14 into 22. So we get area equal to 308 square meter. Now, cost per 1 square meter is rupees 15. Total cost we can get both multiplied. 308 multiplied by 15 we get the total cost rupees 4620. What is the cost? Rupees 4620. Now, let us recall what we have learnt today. First one, parallelogram area formula. Base into height. Base into height. What is the formula to find area of the parallelogram? Base into height square units. Next, perimeter. Perimeter of the parallelogram equal to sum of all lengths of all the sides. Sum of all lengths of all the sides. Okay, now let us move to the homework. See the questions. Objective type questions only I give us homework. I will explain how you have to do. After you do and check the answer. Answer also at the back I gave. See. Sixth one. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 cm and 5 cm. Adjacent sides given. One side 6 cm. So opposite side of 6 also 6. And adjacent side 5. So opposite side of 5 also 5. What is the formula of perimeter of a parallelogram? Sum of all lengths of all the sides. So when we add all the lengths, we can get the answer. Seventh one. The area of a parallelogram whose base 10 meter and height 7 meter. Base 10 meter, height 7 meter. What we have to find? Area of a parallelogram. What is the formula? Base into height. Area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. Substitute the values, multiply, you can get the answer. See the eighth one. The base of the parallelogram with area is 52 square centimeter and height 4 centimeter. What and all given? Area and height. What is missing? Base. So we did the second sum, no. Find the missing value. The same method you can do this question. Now, let us move for the ninth question. What happens to the area of the parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times? So, in the place of B, we can put 2B. And the height is halved. That means in the place of H, we can put H by 2. That into 2 and this divide 2 getting cancelled. So, the formula remains the same. The formula remains the same. Next, 10th one. In a parallelogram, the base is 3 times its height. That means in the place of B, we can put 3H. In the place of B, we can put 3H. If the height is 8 centimeter, so in the place of H, we can put 8. Then the area. What is the formula to find area? Base into height. Base into height. So, we can get the answer. After doing this one, you can check your answers with this answer. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Thank you.